Alchemy Quiz. Let's discover something new today. Today we're rolling balls downstairs and seeing which one gets to the finish line the fastest. Which one do you think is going to win? So we're going to do the green one versus this pink and blue one. Okay, ready, set, and go! Oh, the blue one's taking the lead now. Oh. And the blue one wins. Whoa. So now we have the orange one versus the blue one. Ready, set, go. Oh, the blue one's still going. I thought it was going to stop. Oh, dang. And the orange one wins! So now we're doing losers versus losers. Ready? Oops. Ready, set, and go! Whoa. Oh. Whoa, the blue one's back on track. Oh, dang. Yeah, who's the ultimate loser? Okay, now it's winners versus winners. Ready, set, go! Is the pink one still going? Oh, it is. Yep, the orange one won. Thanks for hanging out with me. I wonder what we're going to discover next time. Bye!